Tucked away below the slopes of Mt Shasta, the McCloud Getaway offers modern living with incredible outdoor recreation opportunities. The home is located in the private Squaw Valley community on the outskirts of the historic lumber town of McCloud, Siskiyou County, California. Year-round recreation opportunities are just minutes away, including golfing at the nearby McCloud Golf Club, alpine skiing at Mt Shasta Ski Park, cross-country skiing at Mt Shasta Nordic Center, trout fishing along the banks of the McCloud and Pitt Rivers, and water sports on Shasta Lake and Lake Siskiyou. Sitting on just over 1 acre, this modern home, built in 2021, features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, spacious kitchen and family room, vaulted ceilings, and wraparound porch. The interior is adorned with locally sourced blued pine paneling and trim throughout, and warmed by a centrally located wood-burning stove, giving a cozy, contemporary cabin-in-the-woods feel. Studded with mature pine trees, the 1-acre lot provides plenty of room for outdoor living, with cleared areas for lawns and landscaping, accessory structures, and RV parking. The McCloud area is renowned for its trophy big game and is located in the premier X1 deer hunt zone for Blacktail Deer and Muley hybrids, and northeastern Zone 4 for Rocky Mountain Elk. The surrounding Shasta-Trinity National Forest offers 2.1 million acres of forest lands, several wilderness areas, hundreds of mountain lakes, and thousands of miles of streams and rivers for the outdoor enthusiast to explore. To schedule your private showing, contact Rich Johnson.